Today on this channel, I'm going to be going through my crazy full custom exhaust system I've put on my 2016 VW Scirocco. Now before I started this channel, I already had most of the mods I wanted to do to this car already put on the car, and now started the channel, I'm going to go through some of the mods that I didn't particularly get a chance to show and making and putting them on the car, but I'm still going to show you underneath what it looks like and how it sounds. I'm going to go for a nice drive in it. I've bought some new mods for my new GoPro as well to hopefully help with this video. But first, I'm going to give you guys a little cold start in a nice kind of concealed, closed room. I did give a cold start when I done the video on the 350Z, however, that was outside. When it's all inside in a nice closed off room or a tunnel, everybody knows that they sound 10 times better anyway. So I'm going to quickly show you one now, and I'm going to get underneath the car and show you exactly what I've done to make this car sound the way it does. But if we go down underneath, we start from the top up. I need to go and get a torch because you can't see. So I've got the torch. If we can see up there, you can see where the turbo is, and then you can see, you can't really see on the video, but it is a 3.5 downpipe, 3.5 inch custom built downpipe. I've got the old exhaust, well, the old downpipe and the old cat in the back. It's alright, this car's too low, I'm bobbing my head while I'm underneath here. Basically the old cat, this car has two cats on it. It has the first cat, the second cat. As you can see here, it still has the secondary cat. I'll go into a little bit more of that in a second, but it doesn't no longer have the first cat. It still passes emissions because we've done an MOT on it the other week. It passes the emissions no problem. With sports cats, you are meant to get them piping hot before you do the emissions, because at first they're not very planet friendly, but after that they're alright. So you've got the turbo, you've got the beautiful 3.5 inch custom downpipe. We had a new flexi put on as well with some new hangers, and then we got the 200 cell sports cat. I did want a 100 cell sports cat, however for some reason they didn't have any in stock, and I tried searching for them forever and they didn't have any, so I had to settle with a 200 cell, so it is still legal. The lamp is wrapped around my brace thing. It kept flapping for some reason, so we cable tied it, because cable tie is a solution to everything really. If you're wondering where I had this built, it was a place called MIJ Performance down in Warsaw. Them great people, they've been there years, and the bloke that owns it, I can't remember his name off the top of my head, but I spoke to the owner of it. He knows his stuff about exhaust. Obviously he's been in the game for silly years. So MIJ Performance done this part, the downpipe, the flexi, the sports cat, all the way up to here, and then another place done this. So it was a new resonator at the time. This has been on for about a year and a half. It's a bit smaller than the original one. The original one was quite big. Following it back, two new hangers again, all pipe work up there, and then no back box. This doesn't drown on the motorway one bit. It's actually really nice and calm and quite quiet as well really. Still have the sounds, you'll know what the sound is. Still like the little rumble and of the exhaust, because obviously it's nowhere near its factory. It's a full custom system, but for the most part it has never drowned on the motorway. It never drowns around the streets either, and the best thing I like about this is if you just drive it at like 1.5k 2k roads normally before it shifts, it's dead quiet, you can't even tell really. And then obviously when you open up, it sounds unreal. I'll put another clip now. Finishing off the exhaust, we have two big, I think them 4-inch tips either side. There was chrome to start with, but now they've, well, now they've gone out of colour a little bit. Obviously they're going to get a little bit dirty over time. But I need to go and clean this thing now, so I can put my new suction cup mounted here, because obviously it's just going to fall off at the moment, the current state the car's in. And I'll see you on the road. In terms of the exhaust though, the exhaust is really tame when driving normally like a normal human being. The only thing you can actually hear is just how rough the road is and how stiff the suspension is really. I do hate booting this car though. I don't know what it is. Some cars you get in, like, well, quite a lot of cars you get in, you don't really care about with draping and whatever, but this car, I hate booting it, to be honest. I hate the thought of damaging it again. But my opinion on exhaust, if you've got a Scirocco and you're looking to have the tone I've got, is definitely go custom. Obviously, if you want to go a bit cheaper, you can go, if you like Miltech or whatever you fancy. But having a custom exhaust, just saying you got a custom exhaust, I've always liked the sound of saying. So that's the main reason. And the fact with a custom exhaust, you can actually have whatever you want as well. Whereas with Miltech, it's like very hard to understand. When I was looking for Miltech exhaust, I was having an absolute mare trying to figure out what the best one is to get. Completely transforming the back end of the Scirocco as well, because it's got the R rear bumper on, so it has the dual exit exhausts. Well, in my opinion, they look 10 times better than the ones that I'm just on the side. However, that is going to be it for this video. Obviously, if you guys did enjoy hearing the exhaust from the outside in the cold starts, all that stuff, then obviously please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Also hit the bell so you don't miss an upcoming video as well. But as always, thank you for all the support as well on getting on the channel. It obviously means an absolute ton to me. Also, let me know in the comments if you want to see something particular. I have got one coming next week, I think, that a few people left on another video, so I'm getting that video recorded to go out the week after this one. But as always, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.